and welcome to my channel. I'm Candace. Thank you so much for joining me. On this video, we're going to be unboxing the Spring 2020 FabFitFun box. This Mumbo Jumbo box weighs 3.9 pounds. Whew, I cannot wait to get into it. I'm really excited to open this. I've been having like the winter blues type deal, so I'm really excited to get some spring-like items in my life. So let's open this up. While I'm opening it, if you are not already subscribed, go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean so much to me if you would do that for me. You guys know I appreciate your support so much. All right, look at how pretty. These butterflies are so cute. All right. Look at, oh my goodness. Yes, okay. This is what I see on top, my FabFitFun magazine, right on top. And of course, a HelloFresh coupon. So this is my second box I'm receiving from them. I really love my winter box. It was so good. So I have high hopes for this spring box. First thing I see was actually an item that I customized. I remember picking this. I didn't pick all of them, all of the customizations. I know that I left one a surprise because I was like, I want to see what surprise they give me. But this is an Aria hairbrush. It's a very reflective brush. It's rose gold and really nice bristles on this. Feels a little bit lightweight. Let's see what the little card says. This is the card that came with it. Let's see what the card says. Luxie Chrome Detangling Brush. Oh, it is actually really smoothing. Oh, I like it. Oh, so poofy. Oh, now I'm all poofy. Okay. So this is the Luxe Chrome Detangling Brush. Professional paddle brush features extended bristles for easy detangling and reduces stress to hair and scalp during blow dry and styling. Ideal for smoothing hair during blow drying to create a smooth, straight styles for softness. This is for all hair types. So this is the Aria brush. This is something that I chose personally, so I'm very happy to have it because this is what I picked. Okay, here is the next item that I see. This is a box of silicone straws. Okay, this is what comes in the box. I don't know how I feel about this. I mean, I need straws. My husband and I are always like, oh, do you have a straw? No, we never have straws. This has got to be the fun part of the FabFitFun. So there's my straws in their little vessels. So when I'm out and about, if I need a straw, can get this out of my purse and use a straw. When the waitress forgets to give you a straw, I'd be like, I don't need no straw from you. I got my own pack of straws. Oh boy. Okay, this I also picked. This is a light therapy wrinkle treatment device. I don't know much about this, but I know you're just supposed to. Okay, first of all, don't throw it. I'm like nervous. It's like so beautiful. It's like the packaging is really delicate. So here it is. Place it there for 3 minutes and then you turn it off. You don't like rub it all over your face or anything like that. You just, wherever your spots are that you want your wrinkles to be gone, hold it on there and turn the light on. So that was an item that I chose. It's not like I was overly excited to get it because I'm actually kind of like nervous to try it, but I thought I would give it a whirl since they were allowing me to choose that item. I figured I would pick it because I think that would be something fun. All right, this is another item that I chose. You guys are probably wondering why I didn't choose more makeup stuff or something. This is a 3-pack set of packing cubes, and the reason I chose this is because my husband and I like to go RVing and camping, and so I thought this would be perfect for the summer and spring to be able to pack all of our stuff real quick, get everything in and organized, and just kind of take it with us on the go. Front part is actually mesh, and I like it because it's breathable. So whatever I put in here, it can actually like breathe. It's not just gonna, if it's really hot, it won't just get like stagnant. Everything will be able to breathe. So there's 3 of these bags. I'm really excited that I went with this choice because I think it's gonna go really well. And I'll be able to bring these camping. This is my FabFitFun camping box. These are gonna be perfect. So I got a set of 3, a small, a medium, and a large. Cool. Rats. Is this open? I think this one like leaked or something. Yep, this one leaked out. Like this protective seal is not on here like at all. So this is the hibiscus plant-based body scrub. It smells like maybe like Pez candy. Did I just date myself? Do people even eat Pez anymore? I don't know. That's all over me. And it's all over everything else. Okay. Next thing I see is from Perlice. And this is giving me good summer vibes, spring vibes. This is a watermelon energizing 2-minute polishing peel. Okay, I thought this was like a whole body mask, but it's actually just for your face. Smooth over your cleansed, wet face, let it sit for 2 minutes, and rinse, pat dry. And you can use this every day. Let's see if it smells really good and watermelon-y. I'm not loving the smell. I thought it was gonna be like watermelon gum or something. It smells a little bit like bland, which is kind of a bummer because it looks so delicious and it should smell like really nice. It's not terrible, it's just not something like, oh, I love that smell, it's so good. No, but there are really good microbeads in there. And I can tell this is gonna be really good for polishing up the skin because those beads are so fine. So here's the next item, the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. Ugh. Oh, this smell is like too earthy for me. I'm gonna ask my husband, but I think it smells like Mother's polishing wax. Have you guys ever used that on your car? Like Mother's, it's like a car wax. Oh, I think that's what it smells like. Moving along, I don't like that one. It's supposed to be soothing where you're gonna fall asleep. That would keep me up like all night. I have to go wash my hands. I'll be right back. That feels a little bit better. It's still kind of lingering, but it's better than what it was. So this is my mystery choice bag. Look at that. They're like, this is your mystery woman. Awesome, this is a vitamin C serum. So this is the product here, the vitamin C oil. The Better Skin Company Epic C Serum Power Trio Complex. Brighten, tighten, and revitalize. Between this and my mask, this is gonna be like the perfect grouping. Let's get into this. Hopefully this has a nice fragrance. Yum. Lemon heads. It's so lemony good. I like that. This is gonna be good. This is one of my favorites. I'm glad I picked the Surprise Me. Maybe I'll pick more Surprise Me ones next time. That's the end of the line here. All right, so that was everything that I received in my spring 2020 FabFitFun box. I'm gonna go ahead and fumble through the magazine and figure out how much my box was valued at. I'll just insert the value right up here for you guys so you can see that. But I just want to thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I had a blast and I hope you did too. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you are not already. It would mean so much to me if you'd go ahead and do that. A big hug and kiss goes out to all of you that are already subscribed and already support me. I appreciate you so much. So again, thank you for watching. Have a great one and I will see you soon. Ciao, Bella.